welcome back to Cocktails for Quarantines. Today we're going to make the Paper Plane. Paper Plane is a really lovely cocktail, however not that old. Invented in 2007 by Sam Ross up at the Violet Hour in Chicago. It's an equal parts cocktail, which I really love. It just has a taste and a flavor profile that's you don't find in a lot of cocktails. So let's make it. It's an Amaro cocktail, so we're gonna use an Amaro I have here in this tall, skinny bottle called a Verna. Amaro is like a lot of liqueurs and liquors in one category or another can have vastly different tastes. Amaros usually have some sort of bitter flavors and a little bit of sweetness, but I believe the Paper Plane was originally supposed to use Amaro Nino, and I don't have that in the cabinet. I wish I did, but Averna is very lovely. You could use Montenegro, that's also very nice. Today we're going to use Averna and Aperol, so a couple Italian ingredients, and we also need a bourbon, and I really like Bullet bourbon for this drink, but we'll use Old Grandad bonded today, also very smooth. And then we need some fresh lemon juice, and I've got some fresh squeezed lemon juice here, and that's all we need. So we got a shaker, and we start putting together. One of the great things, as I mentioned about this, is it's a equal parts cocktail, so it's super easy to remember as long as you can remember the ingredients. It's 4 ingredients: Amaro, Aperol, bourbon, lemon juice, 3/4 ounces of each, and then you're golden. So we'll just do that: 3/4 ounce of Amaro, followed by 3/4 ounce of the Aperol, and 3/4 ounce of our bourbon. I should get some bed music. Maybe I'll get some bed music. Put some bed. I don't know if you can hear some bed music right now. I went and got some bed music, so it's not so boring. Maybe there's a little vibe going. And then the lemon juice. Three-quarter ounces of lemon juice. So this, I think Sam riffed this one off of a Last Word cocktail. Really is a really easy cocktail to put together and remember. I think my cousin-in-law, Chris, introduced me to this drink the first time a couple years ago, and I've loved it ever since then. It's really great. We've got a coupe glass that we were chilling here. So ice in the shaker, and we'll shake this up. Shake it up here. A little high shake. Chilled coupe, and then strain. So pretty. And we'll do a lemon twist on this one. Go along with our lemon juice flavor. Gives a little niceness to it. Squirt this off. So, good cocktail pick here. Maybe this is cool. It's cool. I'm not really going to express any of these oils over the drink because there's already lemon juice in there. But we will put this doggy right there. All right, there is your Paper Plane. Enjoy, and thanks for joining us on Cocktails for Quarantines. We'll see you next time. Cocktails